I'm going to give you an outlook on the stock market and give my opinion on whether I think the market will continue to rally or if we'll see new lows. I'm going to answer the question, has the market bottomed yet? The S&P 500 bottomed in October of 2022, and since then it has recovered a little bit and it's been chopping around the same range for the rest of 2022 and 2023. There are people that think that the October low was the bottom in the stock market, and I find that personally hard to believe. I think that we will either make a new low or revisit this low, but I don't think that there will be a capitulation event unless a catastrophic financial event happens. I'm going to give you some reasons why I think the bear market is not over and why we may be in a bull trap. Firstly, inflation is still extremely high. People don't realize, but inflation is still at 6%. That's a very high number. The Federal Reserve is still fighting inflation, trying to get it down to the 2% target. Now, ever since some banks failed in the US, the Fed had to ease up on their fight against inflation, essentially injecting more money into the economy. They're going to have to continue to raise rates and hold them at high levels to combat inflation, especially since they went back on their fight against inflation. Fed Chair Powell specifically stated that they want to have higher interest rates for longer. This means that they want to increase rates to a higher terminal rate, and they want to hold the rates at that level for a longer period of time. High interest rate environments are not good for the stock market. Banks are now offering savings accounts yielding 4 to 5% interest, and this number may increase as Fed rates increase. Many investors are going to seek safer yields since they can get 5% with essentially zero risk. Companies are cutting costs by downsizing and laying off employees. I know specific industry supplier companies that are sitting on excess inventory because corporations cannot buy from them during these times. Explain to me how companies' stock prices are increasing, yet the companies are not as profitable and are still downsizing. I think we'll see more bankruptcies and downsizing as the Fed continues to raise interest rates. I do think that patience is the best course of action. I'm not going to make any rash decisions right now. The best thing to do is to watch and to see what happens in the markets. I'm specifically waiting for the next inflation report, jobs report, and Fed meeting. I'll make another video when this information is released and if it changes my opinion. Right now, I have most of my short-term capital parked in high-interest money market type accounts. I'm waiting for a good opportunity to get back into the markets with my short-term account. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed. It will help out the channel a ton.